one of the most important things, which is also one of the simplest things to correct, is that you really want the water getting away from your house. So walk around, and if you have little extensions that may have fallen off or blown away to who knows where, you just want little pieces of downspout or something, even if it's a splash block or some plastic tubing, something taking that water away from your foundation. It's a good idea every once in a while when it rains, maybe grab an umbrella, walk around, make sure nothing's overflowing or leaking or dripping. You know, that can lead to an ice patch and somebody can get hurt. You know, flooding in the basement if you're not getting the water away.
Called me up this morning. She said, what am I gonna do? She said the gutters are old and ugly, even uglier than you. And I said, call up Christiaan's Gutters. He'll make your gutters look real nice. Yeah, call up Christiaan's Gutters. I know you're gonna like the price.
Welcome back. This is How It Done. And that was Christiaan Gutter's new jingle. High fives. Christiaan, that was awesome. You want to tell us who that was?
That was my dad, the infamous Steve Deasy, and he wrote that. That was just a verse or two.
Yeah.
He wrote that a couple years ago, and I've been bugging him to finish it. So I'm looking for some support from you and your listeners to help me convince him to
Well, that was the bomb diggity.
finish recording it so I can do some stuff with it.
No, I loved it. That was fantastic. Thank you very much. And that was just like a first crack at it. Like you guys still have to tweak it, but it's really good. I loved it. Text us 97136 if you like the jingle. I think you should add it into the repertoire. In fact, let's talk about this year, Christiaan. Are you thinking it's going to be the best year you've had?
Yeah, so far every year seems to be, and it's
better and better.
Yeah, and it's been really busy already with the rain and the warm weather. People are waking up and giving us a call, and we're running around doing estimates, and we're
Congratulations.
excited.
How long did you, let me ask you a question. When did you get into the gutter industry or the gutter replacement?
So I started installing probably 12 years ago, and then Christiaan's Gutters I opened it up October 2013 officially, so I think we're in our 6th year.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Do you know what my statistic is, right?
Yep.
96% of all contractors fail in the first 5 years. So, congratulations, my friend.
So we're going to be the 4% that
made it.
fails someday
Never.
later.
Not a chance. Not a chance. I guarantee. In fact, if I'm a gambler, that's right, I am a gambler. That means I'm betting on you.
Thank you.
Congratulations. No, but legitimately, you really are a good contractor. There's no question about your sales practices, your ethics, the quality of the work, the whole A to Z. And now, the jingle. Listen, marketing is important. People need to understand and remember where they get things from. So in your situation, it makes logical next step.
Mm-hmm.
And so I think you should do it. My opinion is go, and then we'll play it here.
In your head. Just
Yeah.
can't.
But I like it. It's got a really good tune to it, So I'm saying yes. It just that's my opinion. But so 2019, you're really planning for a record year. Mm-hmm. What's going to slow you down from growing? Is it going to be employees? What is it going to be? Time, weather?
That's the employees is the biggest thing slowing most people down. Just nobody can find enough.
Are you hiring?
Yeah, we're always hiring.
Will you
have
train?
A lot of great employees.
Sure.
A lot of experience, but we just need a few more. And I think you probably hear that from everybody.
Well, you know what? Actually, I have a couple contractors who said they're good now, and they're excited about that. However, they're always looking. Mm-hmm. And so here's the best part. The economy's good. Contractors are a really good trade to get into. If you're a person who's in high school and you just don't think you're a college-bound person, you got to look at the trades. Mm-hmm. You can make a dang good living.
Yeah, and you don't have to go straight to college. It's free to come, work for us and get trained and get paid while you're doing it, and
then save up.
And you might not have $100,000 in debt.
No, tell me about it. My kid's in college right now. I know all about it. Let me ask you this: what's the biggest challenge in running a gutter business?
There's a lot so we have a lot of variables. We got trucks
Yep.
to fix, gutter machines. There's potholes all over the roads.
Right.
You can't make everybody happy all the time. So we got customers, we got employees, we got the weather.
Right. So
we're up against a lot.
that you just define entrepreneurship, right?
Yeah.
There's all kinds of things that create that. So okay, so it's not like one thing like, oh my God, the aluminum prices are so high. Can't we're looking for alternatives to gutters. Are they making plastic pieces and they make plastic gutters?
They do, but I don't
You
recommend.
want right?
No, we don't even touch them unless we're taking them off.
Right. So that's the best part. Okay. Now, what about if someone just wants their gutters cleaned? You can do that and just go out and do a cleaning, like a tune-up, you said.
Yep.
Is there a cost for that, or is it you tell them over the phone, or what do you do in that?
We don't do it for free.
Clearly.
But we do. We tend to look at everything, come check it out, see what you need, and then make a recommendation.
Couple $100, $300,
Yeah,
$400.
sometimes people aren't sure, so they're interested in a price for the tune-up, price for new system, with or without covers, and we give you a lot of options, and then I'm always there to discuss those options with you.
Okay, makes sense. And I appreciate that. Now, gutters, replacing them. If somebody has gutters that are leaking, the water's going over the side, the downspouts are dripping, there's holes. One year they had ice damming and someone was knocking with a hammer to break it up, right? And it ruined the gutters. Or they had a new roof and the roofers put the ladders against the gutters, pushed them in. Mm-hmm. You've seen that, right? Mm-hmm. Quite a bit, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So now a homeowner needs new gutters. Is there an average price? Is there a 4-inch, 5-inch? What is like the perfect gutter for a homeowner's house that's a standard house?
So there are a lot of different styles. Typically, most people are just getting a K-style aluminum seamless gutter.
Right.
Which most houses, that'll be just a 5-inch or 6-inch.
Do you recommend 6/5 ever?
Most of the time, yeah. I'll give people both prices. 6-inch looks really good.
And it performs better.
Much water. I don't offer anything that's sufficient. Some gigantic mansions, I won't give them a 5-inch price.
Because you're like, it's a waste of money. Does roof pitch matter? The pitch of the roof? So if it's like an 8-12 or a 10-12, that water's coming down faster. A bigger gutter will handle it.
Yeah. Keep it from splashing over.
Okay. And then is there, I've had people ask me, well, how much you charge a foot? It's really per job, isn't it?
Yeah, and it depends on the situation. If I'm doing a job in Hamtramck and there's nowhere to park, it's not just the
there's cost to doing the
footage. I got to figure out how to get the truck there, and
so there's cost to that.
Yeah.
So is it $12 to $15 a foot for gutters today? Is that an average?
I mean, that
$20
depends on. No. It really ranges. I would say, like $4 to $8 a foot.
So you can get gutters on a standard house. You can, like a ranch, easy get up. You can get it done for around 4 or more.
Yeah, usually 5, but
Okay, so $5.
Mm-hmm.
I'm loving it. I didn't realize it was that inexpensive.
Not $5 a foot, not just $5.
No, yeah, $5 a foot, of course. Christian's Gutters. I'm loving that. What's the phone number again?
586-698-2337. Our main office is in Warren, and we're also in Lansing. Actually, Mason, just south of Lansing.
Oh, our show's in Lansing. Do you know that?
Yeah.
They're listening up there right now. Yeah. So we're in 35 markets. You might get a call from Rochester, New York, or Ishpeming, or Gaylord. But hey, if it's worth the drive.
I don't know about that.
No, I'm kidding. So you're excited, though, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm excited. I hope to come back again soon. This is really fun.
No, listen, you're a great guest. Your dad's a rock star, which we're loving. The jingle, here's what we want to do. I'll tell you what, you finish the jingle, you send it to me, and then we'll bring you back on as a special, the jingle's done, and we'll announce the official announcement of the official Christian Gutters jingle. We'll debut it here on 97.1, The Ticket, right? That sounds like a plan.
Yeah. I'm
loving that. All right, well, listen, I want to thank you for coming on. Legitimately, you're a good guy, great company. You want to shout out to anyone? The whole crew, the Christian Gutters crew?
Aluminum, everyone at Christian's Gutters, ABC Supply, Century Gutters. Did you ever have a sale? What?
A gutter sale?
A sale?
Yeah, like on sale. Gutters are on sale.
Oh. Yeah.
Like buy a
Especially
whole
in
house
the
of
winter.
gutters,
For,
upgrade. If you get a whole house of gutters, upgrade to 6-inch for free or half off protection or something like that.
yeah.
Think of that. Maybe we can give a deal, when you come back next time.
Yep.
Right? But right now, if they call you, you can get out there this week to price it for them.
Probably.
Okay.
It's we're getting a lot of calls, so like the install schedule is gonna fill up. The estimate schedule is gonna get a little longer. But
I remember last year in August, you were like, "Yeah, we're 4 weeks out, 6 weeks out, whatever it is," and then the weather infects it.
Yeah.
Real quick, one more thing. What's the weirdest thing you ever found while cleaning someone's gutters?
Oh,
Gold coins?
yeah. I'm drawing a blank right now, but
Dead animals?
yeah, definitely that, and live animals.
Okay.
You know,
So you're doing good. Well, thanks for coming on, man. Christian's Gutters. Go to hireitdone.com if you want the best gutters and protection. That's it, my friends. Time to end the show, but don't end the conversation. I want to hear from you. Send me a tweet. Our Twitter handle is @HireItDone. Subscribe to our newsletter. Go to Facebook, Pinterest, SoundCloud. I'm Adam Helfman. You're listening to the Hire It Done Radio Network.